Birdie. I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm really not.
Watch the crevice over there.
Are you getting this all on video?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Dude, now he's stuck in the microwave. Where'd he go? Is he in here? I think I got him.
Right.
No? Did I miss? Where'd he go? Oh, man.
He's over there in the corner.
This is not good. If this is going to be on phase training, I hope they're enjoying this. Aww. Where the hell is Ryan and Chad when you need them? Oh.
Reach in and grab him.
What if the thing has rabies? I don't want to kill it. I'm trying to get the thing out. Oh, shit. Here, hang on a minute. Hang on. We got to shush the bird out. I can't get the bird in there. We need a roller or something. No. Hang on. Hang on. Shush the bird.
Here, get that bag.
Here, shush him out with this.
Ready? Get ready to catch.
No, wait. Okay. Here.
Ready? Up behind the corner. Right in the corner. Get ready.
Go ahead.
Where's your ruler?
Right here. Come here, Birdie.
Oh.
I'm just trying to get you outside, Birdie.
Ready?
Go ahead. I don't want to kill him. Oh, shit.
Oh!